Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add branding assets to your Shopify website. And then from your branding assets you can add colors, a cover image, a slogan, a social link, and of course save the changes. So let's first begin with the branding assets. So first you need to go to your dashboard, so go to your home dashboard, and in your dashboard you see set up your store, and you see add branding assets. So tap on that button right there, and it redirects you to brand, and you can close this if you want. And then you see a lot of settings, but you just can continue. Right, so here you can add a logo, you can add colors. So let's begin with colors. So as you see, you can scroll a bit down and you can tap on add a primary color under colors, and you can select the color you like, for example black, and now you added your primary and contrasting color. These are the colors of your site, your color theme. As you see, the brand colors that appear on your store, social media, and more. You can always change them, of course, but it's important that you choose them before you are launching with clothes or something like that. Alright, now let's go to cover image. So again, scroll a bit down until you see cover image, and then tap on add a cover image. And you can select media directly from your library, or you can add a new image, for example this image, and then if you want you can add another image, and if it failed to download, it might be the resolution, so exceeds maximum image resolution of 20 megapixels. So you need to go to a website like TinyPNG, and you can try it again. Alright, and now let's tap on done, and now you added a cover image. You can always remove it or change it, or change the preview, change the aspect ratio, so it's very easy. Alright, now let's go and add a slogan. So again, scroll a bit down and then click on add a slogan, and here you can just type your slogan. Again, you can always change it later. By the way, it's a maximum of 80 characters, so keep that in mind. So as you can see, brand statement or tagline often used along with your logo. So make sure it's very appealing to visitors. Right, and now let's add a social link. So tap on social links, add a social link, and you can, for example, add Twitter, and in Twitter you can add your Twitter link, for example twitter.com/mobbindesigns, and that's it. Again, you can remove this, you can add more social links by tapping on add social link, and this step is very important because of course you need to save it. Just tap on save right there, and then let it load. You can close this, you can scroll it down, and boom, everything's saved. It looks nice. You can always change it later, delete it. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.